In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel a pending payment on Cash App. First, open your Cash App on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, take a look at the bottom menu. You'll see a little clock icon. That's the Activity tab, and it's where you can view all your transactions. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll be able to see your payment history, including completed transactions and pending ones. Remember, you can only cancel payments that are still pending. So, carefully scroll through and find the payment that hasn't gone through yet. Once you find the pending transaction, tap on it. You should see a cancel option appear on that page. Go ahead and tap Cancel to stop that payment from being processed. If you do this in time, the payment will be canceled immediately, and the money will stay in your Cash App balance. However, if the transaction has already been completed, meaning the money has already been sent, you won't see a cancel button anymore. But don't worry, there's still something you can do. Just go back to your main Cash App screen and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. From here, scroll all the way down until you see the Support option and tap on it. Then scroll down again and tap on Chat. Now you can message Cash App support directly. Simply explain that you want to cancel a transaction and make sure to include the important details like the transaction date, amount, recipient's name, and any other relevant info. Once you send that, the support team will guide you on the next steps and check if your transaction can be reversed. And that's it! That's how you can cancel a pending payment on Cash App or contact support if it's already gone through.